guys, so let's tour. So magtutour tayo sa ating DIY. So first natin nilitour ito. So tignan natin kung anong laman. OMG is a block for face. So that's okay. It's so dirty. Yuck. So this is a purse. This is it's a kitty card, and this is notes. It's notes, and next is this. This is a beads. Got this. And comment lang kayo guys kung gusto nyo ito may laman pa ito. So comment kayo guys kung gusto nyo yung gusto nyo magpa-box. So this like that. So this is like this. Everything like and dito lang. And next it's here. That dami niyang mga boxes. That pen and marker. Walang laman. So actually guys, bibili pala kami ng laman dahil wala na kaming laman. So yun lang guys. So next time again. Bye!